Okay, my friends, we are looking at ionic compounds with metals that have more than one charge. So for example, this is copper here that you can see has a 2+ charge and also has a 1+ charge. So how do you know when I'm mixing copper and chlorine to make copper chloride, how do I know which one of these I make? Because if I take chlorine, which is a 1-, it's in group 17, so it needs only one more valence electron, and I combine those two, I'm going to get CuCl2 because I need two of these 1- chlorines to balance out the 2+ here. But if I take that same chlorine and I react it with this copper here, it's going to give me a formula of CuCl because I only need one of each of these to balance out the charges. So how do I know, in the name copper chloride, how do I know which one it is? It's very simple. I use Roman numerals to tell me the charge of the copper. So if I'm using copper 2+, then I'm going to write it as copper 2 chloride. If I was using copper 1+ to make CuCl, then I would write it as copper 1 chloride. And I do use those Roman numerals to do that. If you don't know what they are, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. You put the 1 in front of the V. 5, 6, the 1 goes after the V. And 7. That's about all that we ever really use in chemistry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if I have the formula, SnF2, I want to know what is the name of this thing. And I have to ask myself the question, what charge is that Sn? Does it have multiple charges? In this case, Sn is tin, which we know that yes, tin can form either an Sn2+ or an Sn4+. So which is it? Which one of these is that formula? Well, since I don't know about tin, I'm going to start with the fluorine. I know fluorine is in group 17. It has 7 valence electrons, so it needs one more. So therefore, its charge is -1. Since I have 2 of them, my total charge is 2- for the negative side. In order to have a balanced ionic compound, my charge over here must be a 2+. Again, so that these two things will cancel out. And since I only have one tin, there's a 1 there, even though you can't see it, there's a 1 there. I know therefore that that Sn must be a 2+ to balance out the 2 negative. So therefore the name of this would be tin 2 fluoride. Tin 2 fluoride. I think I spelled fluorine wrong, so I apologize there. Tin 2 fluoride. That is how we use Roman numerals in the name only, not in the formula. We don't put it in the formula. We use it for the name. And that Roman numeral tells me the charge of the metal. It doesn't tell me how many of them there are. There are not 2 tins there. You can see that there's only 1. It tells me the charge of that metal. So long till next time.